gusty south winds and low humidity will result in near critical fire weather conditions across southwest Oklahoma and western North Texas behind a dry line this afternoon. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Cleo Springs to 4 miles southeast of Eagle City, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watonga, Fairview, Okeen, Canton, Ringwood, Cleo Springs, Longdale, Ames, Mano, Hitchcock, Loyal, Canton Lake, Orienta, Eagle City, Isabella, Homestead, Southern, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman